Namaste everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning some exercises that any lady can do during her pregnancy. So let's get started. Starting and ending of the exercise sessions should be always done by connecting with the almighty power, the universal power. So once you are done with that, then you can follow it up with stretching exercises for warm up, then basic light exercises, and then follow it up with meditation. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Let's start by doing some stretching exercises for warm up. Stretching करने के बहुत सारे benefits होते हैं, like it reduces muscle tension and it makes the body feel relaxed. It increases range of motion. It also prevents injuries like muscle strains. It promotes circulation and it betters flexibility. While stretching, breathe slowly, deeply and naturally exhale. स्ट्रेचिंग एक्सरसाइजेस आपको 5 से 10 मिनट तक एटलीस्ट करनी है. After the stretching exercises, we will start with butterfly pose. This is a good stretch for the inner thighs, groin area, knees, and it also helps in improving flexibility. अब हम थोड़े से लेग स्ट्रेचेस करेंगे और हमें जितना स्ट्रेच हो सकता है उतना ही करना है, अपने आप को फोर्स नहीं करना है. सो बोथ द साइड्स वी कैन डू अराउंड 15-15 ईच. Now we will be doing some spot jogging at least for 2 minutes. Next is knee raises, which is a cardio exercise. It will target your hips, knees and legs. We will not raise the legs too high as we don't want to put pressure on abdomen. You can do 40 to 50 knee raises. Leg lifts is also good for exercising your leg muscles like hamstrings. You can do at least 30 times front. Side wise you can do 15 each, and you can also try back side around 30 times. Squats is an excellent resistance exercise to maintain strength and range of motion in hips, glutes, core and pelvic floor muscles. It can help improve postures and they even have the potential to assist with the birthing process. It is important to do hand exercises like hand rotation, arm scissors exercise and shoulder rotation. You can include more exercises as well. ये exercises help करती हैं to strengthen the hands and fingers muscles. Blood flow towards your hand भी improve होता है इन exercises से, and flexibility of course increase होगी. These all exercises can be done 30 times each. This can be followed by side stretching. You can do 20-20 on each side. Remember, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेच नहीं करना है, जितना हो सके उतना ही आप करेंगे. Now towards the end we can do some relaxing exercises like ankle rotation, moving the ankles front and back, moving your knees up and down. Follow it up with breathing exercise like Anulom Vilom and deep breathing sessions. एटलीस्ट 5 मिनट्स तक अनुलोम विलोम करना है. अनुलोम विलोम के बेनिफिट्स जानने के लिए आप मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं. Sit in Vajrasana and do deep breathing exercise for 2 to 5 minutes. Now let us end our exercise session. Om Bhurbhuvaswah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। अब अपने दोनों हाथों को रब करके आँखों को हथेलियों से बंद करके फिर 2 सेकंड में खोलें। You can also include these poses in your routine. Cat pose, side lying leg lift, lunges, bird dog pose, downward dog pose. Tips to follow while doing workout. Maintain a healthy diet to keep you all charged up for undergoing physical activity. Do not exercise too much. Exerting too much is not recommended. 30 minutes, 3 to 5 days a week is enough. Avoid exercises where there are sudden jerks or movements like jumping, changing sides, etc. Consider doing light exercises. Those do not increase your heart rate rapidly. Refrain from exercise in case your pregnancy has any complications. Ask your doctor before you start. Stop immediately in case of any vaginal discharge or abdominal pain. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and also press the bell icon over there. This is Dietitian Priya Mohan signing off. Always remember to keep your health first.